In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed fonts in PowerPoint. If you've ever opened a presentation on another computer and noticed your text looks different or misaligned, it's usually because the fonts weren't embedded. Embedding fonts packs the typefaces you use directly into the PowerPoint file, so your slides appear exactly as you designed them. No substitutions, no formatting surprises. Start by opening your PowerPoint file and heading to the File menu. This takes you to the Backstage view where you manage the file itself rather than the slide content. It's a good place to confirm you're working on the correct presentation and, if needed, make a quick backup copy before changing settings. From the left-hand panel in the File view, choose Options. This opens the PowerPoint Options window where you can control how PowerPoint behaves under the hood. In that window, select the Save category. You'll see a range of preferences related to saving behavior and file compatibility. This is where font embedding lives. Look for the setting labeled Embed Fonts in the file and turn it on. This tells PowerPoint to include the font data within the presentation so any device can display it. Keep in mind that not every font is embeddable due to licensing. Most TrueType and many OpenType fonts allow embedding, but some commercial or older fonts may restrict it. If a specific font can't be embedded, PowerPoint may substitute it on another machine, which is exactly what we're trying to avoid. Under that option, choose Embed All Characters for full compatibility. This is the most reliable choice if you or someone else will edit the presentation later. It includes the complete character set for the fonts you've used, so adding or changing text on another device won't trigger substitutions. The trade-off is a larger file size compared to embedding only the characters used, but for most professional or shared decks, the peace of mind is worth a few extra megabytes. Click OK to apply your changes and return to your presentation. PowerPoint will embed the fonts the next time the file is saved, so once you continue working or close and save the document, your chosen fonts are packaged inside. From there, sharing becomes much simpler. You can send the file to colleagues or present on a different computer and trust that your typography and layout will remain intact. A quick tip before we wrap up. If you ever notice fonts still shifting, it may be that a particular typeface doesn't allow embedding. In that case, switch to a widely embeddable TrueType or OpenType alternative for consistent results.